The purpose of this video is for you to be able to describe density and know the formula on how to calculate it. Now, density is a quantity that expresses mass per unit volume. Another way of saying that is how tightly packed something is. Now, since different things have the same, since different things have different densities, densities, like this steel rod, mainly iron, and these copper pipes, you can use the density to identify unknowns. It's an intensive property. That means no matter how much you have, a big chunk or a small chunk, the density should be the same. Density's units are mass per unit volume, or it's a mass unit over a volume unit. And examples of it are grams per milliliter or grams per centimeter cubed, kilograms per liter. Now, just to give you an image of what density looks like. You can see, oops. These water molecules are spread out a certain way. And these iron molecules are spread out in a certain way. So this is going to be more dense. It's going to have a higher density than this because there's more packed into the same amount of space. All right? You've got, this is heavier than this one, even though they're roughly the same amount of space. Iron's got a higher density than water. So here is the density formula's pyramid. D is M over V. Now, I could write that out. As you can see, D is mass over volume, or density is mass divided by volume. Now, the way these pyramids work is you cover up what you're looking for, and this is density. Density is mass divided by volume. Mass is density times volume, and volume is mass divided by density. So this line here, that's division, and this line here is multiplication. So once again, density is mass divided by volume. Mass is density times volume, and volume is mass divided by density.